Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Burberry sunglasses is probably one of the most iconic and stylish choices for men seeking both eye protection and a fashion statement. These sunglasses seamlessly blend classic British design with modern aesthetics, offering a sophisticated look that complements any outfit. From the signature check patterns to the sleek frames, Burberry sunglasses are a testament to quality craftsmanship and timeless elegance, making them a must-have accessory for the discerning gentleman. Number 5. Burberry B4291 Matte Black Sunglasses. Introducing the Burberry B4291 sunglasses. These stylish shades are perfect for everyday wear. These are authentic Burberry sunglasses, complete with the full retail packaging. You can be sure of their quality and style. The matte black plastic frame gives it a sleek and modern look. It's a versatile design that complements any outfit. The scratch-resistant black lenses provide 100% UV protection. They keep your eyes safe while looking great. These rectangular sunglasses are designed for both men and women. They are designed to fit most adults comfortably. What we like. These sunglasses feature a sleek matte black frame, offering a modern aesthetic. The scratch-resistant lenses ensure durability, perfect for daily wear. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish pair that suits any occasion, this is a great choice. What people say. Comes with a nice light brown leather carrying case with the Burberry logo and warranty book. Fit well, look stylish and protect eyes well from the sun and wind. Product is A1 quality. Number 4. Burberry B4181 3001 Black Square Sunglasses. Introducing the Burberry B4181 sunglasses. These stylish shades are perfect for any occasion, offering both fashion and function. The B4181 features a sleek black design. Its classic color makes it easy to pair with any outfit, adding a touch of sophistication. These sunglasses have a square frame. This shape offers a modern look, suitable for various face shapes. The lenses are Category 3, providing excellent protection. They effectively shield your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. The size of the sunglasses is 58 mm. This size ensures a comfortable fit, suitable for everyday wear. What we like. The classic square shape of these sunglasses offers a timeless appeal. With Category 3 lenses, they provide excellent sun protection. If you value a blend of style and functionality, these are ideal for you. What people say. Made well, stylish, great job of keeping the sun out. The case for them was just a bonus. Great packaging. Glasses look great. Number 3. Burberry B4181 Square Sunglasses for Men. These sunglasses are a classic. It features a square frame design, perfect for a timeless look. They are designed for men and offer both style and protection. Crafted with high-quality materials, this accessory ensures durability and comfort. The lenses provide excellent UV protection, keeping your eyes safe from the sun's harmful rays. Included with the sunglasses is an accessory eyewear kit. This kit contains everything you need to care for the sunglasses, ensuring they stay in top condition. The design is specifically tailored for men, offering a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. It's a versatile accessory that complements various outfits and occasions. With these sunglasses, you can instantly elevate your style. They are a statement piece that adds a touch of luxury and refinement to any ensemble. What we like. This pair features a bold square frame, designed specifically for men. The included accessory kit adds extra value. If you're looking for a complete package with added accessories, this is the one for you. What people say. I was very pleased with the quality. He absolutely loves Burberry, the sunglasses did not disappoint. Sits comfortably on his face. Number 2. Burberry B4291 Men's Rectangle Sunglasses with Eyewear Kit. These stylish sunglasses are designed for men. They come with a designer eyewear kit. It's the perfect accessory for any outfit. The B4291 features a classic rectangle frame. This shape offers a sophisticated look. It's a timeless design that complements various face shapes. With your purchase, you'll receive a designer iWear kit. This kit includes everything you need to care for your sunglasses. It helps keep them clean and protected. These sunglasses are specifically crafted for men. They offer both style and functionality. They provide excellent protection from the sun. Choose the Burberry B4291 and experience luxury. These sunglasses are a perfect blend of fashion and practicality. Get yours today. What we like. These sunglasses boast a sleek rectangular frame, tailored for men. The included designer eyewear kit enhances the overall value. If you like a modern look with added accessories, you should consider this. What people say. The quality is exceptional, and the design is modern and stylish. They are very comfortable and lightweight, making them perfect for all-day use. High quality, great-looking sunglasses. Number 1. Burberry B4293 Square Sunglasses. These stylish square sunglasses are perfect for both men and women. They offer a classic look with a modern twist, making them a versatile accessory for any outfit. The B4293 sunglasses are crafted with quality and style in mind. Its design ensures a comfortable fit while providing excellent protection from the sun. This bundle comes with an accessory eyewear kit. It includes everything you need to keep them clean and protected, ensuring they last for years to come. With its sleek design and practical features, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their look. They are a must-have accessory. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Grab a pair of these sunglasses and experience the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like. These sunglasses feature a versatile square frame, suitable for both men and women. The included accessory kit provides added value. If you're looking for a stylish and practical pair with extra accessories, this is a great choice. What people say. The sunglasses are well made and the design is classic. The quality of the frame and lenses is excellent. They fit perfectly and are very comfortable to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.